They're the fire.
What's up, guys? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the brand new update inside of Animal Company, the brand new FIFA World Cup update. So, first, there's lots of new items in the game, soccer net and soccer ball. Can you buy me a soccer ball, please? So there's lots of new items.
I'm just using a toilet right now. Alright, I'll buy a soccer ball. Mommy will buy you a soccer ball.
If you guys wanted to know what level I'm on, is 95 and a half. Alright, so there's these brand new soccer balls. They are deflated, but you just hit the A button and it inflates. Net's small until you hit the button, and then you get the soccer ball. Oh, you don't do that. Here, can you buy me another one? Yeah, it kind of sucks when it goes over there, but I mean, you could go and get it, but it's gonna waste some time. And they're pretty cheap. So, you inflate it, and you just line it up. You just hit it with your hands, and then you just go. Oh my.
Whoa!
Okay, I need another one.
Over the
I
net!
need another one. I'm putting the net in the air now. Okay, here, can you buy me another one? Because they keep going flying. Yeah, they are a bit glitchy because you can't track them. No, why'd you inflate it there? But that's okay. Okay, and you just hit it. No, apparently not. Just hit it, and you'll score the goal.
Nice.
And yeah, oh sorry guys, that's my house. Yeah, and you can put it back to small. You put it in your back. Alright, so that's new. Also, there are new tasks where you can. I don't really know where it is, but yeah, there's brand new soccer jerseys. So you go around and you find these things around the Animal Company. I'm gonna make a separate video of how to get all the jerseys. And there's a thing, a ball spawns. You gotta get in the net. That net is in the beehive. Alright guys, and then you get a soccer jersey for completing it. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Or actually, no, it's not. There's a brand new soccer arena. Technically, it's stage 6. But technically, it's not. So, actually, technically, it's not. So, stage 5 and stage 6. It's still not open, but if you go over here, there's a brand new soccer arena. Pretty cool because you get free drinks. I think it's free. I don't. Yeah, that also happens. You also can like get glitched out. But this is the brand new soccer arena. It's pretty cool because the ball just bounces off. So then you again don't have to go and like buy one. You can. It's a really cool glitch. Just grab it. Your hook shot. It's overpowered. So yeah, that's gonna be basically the end of this video. I'm just gonna show you guys.
Here.
Oh, my mom just found something. Let's go check. But there are these before I leave. There's these. Play Snake. You guys know what that is. I'm really bad at Snake, but yeah. Alright. So that's that. Pretty sure these are the new skins. Those are old. Yeah. That's the new update. Yeah, so you can grapple it. It's really cool. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Watch my next video for to figure out how to get the what's it called? All the jerseys in the game. Alright, bye. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Please like and subscribe at the 200 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys.